Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from TikTok Shop earnings to bank, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your TikTok Shop earnings to your bank account, start by opening the TikTok app on your device. Log in to your TikTok account with your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Next, locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Select TikTok Shop from the list of options available. In the TikTok Shop menu, tap on Earnings to view your available funds. Now, you will see your total earnings displayed on the screen. Look for the Withdraw button and click on it to initiate the process. If it's your first withdrawal, you may need to link your bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details accurately. Ensure that the information you enter matches your bank account documents. After entering your bank details, confirm the setup by tapping the verification button. Once your bank account is linked, you can specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the withdrawal amount, making sure it doesn't exceed your available earnings. Once you've entered the amount, tap on the Submit button to process the withdrawal. You'll receive a confirmation indicating that your withdrawal request has been received. The processing time may vary, but usually, it takes a few business days to reflect in your bank. If there are any issues or you need assistance, you can reach out to TikTok support. Keep an eye on your bank account for the incoming funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.